Education Center at KEM Hospital is one of the most unique center, and it's a new activity which we are really starting. Bruhan Mumbai Mahanagar Palika, or what we call as Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai, runs primary, secondary and tertiary services all across Mumbai. Now, we have to do, in addition to the treatment, lot of community awareness. This initiative was established by people from our own institution who have worked hard to develop a patient education center. Dr. Kamaxi, Dr.Shrikala, Acharya. Along with that, there are people like Sachin Mahadik, Suhas Maitre, who have really worked hard to develop this patient education center. Now, what is the principle behind this center? The best cure is self-cure. A well-informed patient is one of the best patients who can really treat himself and help doctors to treat him better. We have a huge number of OPD. We have about 7,000 patients coming to our OPD every day. Though we have doctors trying to help these patients over many different diseases and their treatment, the time is a big limitation. We are not able to spend so much of time with patients as desired. Now, therefore, many questions which patients have remain unanswered in his own mind. In addition, there are many things which we would like to tell patient as preventive measures. Now, how do we reach to these patients? And therefore, we thought this was an innovative idea with which patients could be educated by various media. Now, when we started working on this, the first thing was the task was to do the educational content. How do we really address these patients with what kind of an information? So we had a series of meetings with consultants, and then we finalized what content to be given to a patient with respect to his disease. After it was done, the information, once it was prepared, then it was not only prepared in the text form but also into the pictorial form. And then we used various formats. We had a series of posters, and these posters were displayed during our OPD, in our OPD, as well as during the various community awareness camps which were done throughout Mumbai and also across the Mumbai. Now, these included lifestyle diseases like hypertension, diabetes, addiction disorders. At the same time, there were posters on physiotherapy, occupational therapy, adolescent problems. In addition, whenever Mumbai has faced a lot of epidemics, like whether it's malaria, dengue, or whether it's TB or swine flu, we all have posters to have such kind of a community awareness. We have a special cell of awareness for organ transplantation, which was also done through this. In addition to the posters and exhibitions, what we also did was TV and radio programs. Now, this new initiative which has been done of a patient education center, that now it's a specific site on a YouTube which has more than 40 videos and 5 other kind of films which would help the patient to see on their own. We have a class of patients who have an access, and now I think mobile and the computer technology has reached in everybody's house. So they can see these videos on their own, and this will help them to answer their questions. And to make it facilitate better, what we have really done is we have not done only in one language, but we also have this in Marathi, Gujarati, and we are now trying to see how it can reach better to the patients. So overall, in addition to what we are trying to do only as a treatment part, this important work of patient education is one of the mainstay of this particular treatment, this kind of a project. And I would like to really congratulate my whole team, Dr. Bhate, Dr. Acharya, Suhas and Sachin, for doing this excellent work, because I think this is where we can reach not only to the patients from Mumbai but across the world, where they will get information and they will get educated. Ultimately, the benefit will be to those patients who learn this, follow this, and probably we can improve their health, and that is our ultimate goal. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच. रुग्णालयातर्फे हल्ली एक पेशंट एज्युकेशन सेंटर नावाचा एक उपक्रम गेले काही वर्ष चालवला जातो. सर्वसाधारणपणे KEM रुग्णालयामध्ये रोज 7 ते 8 हजार पेशंट्स येत असतात. या सगळं पेशंट्सना आपण उपचार तर करतोच, परंतु हे उपचार करताना आमच्या सगळ्या डॉक्टर्सना वेळेची खूप कमतरता होते आणि त्यावेळी त्यांच्याशी योग्य रीतीने कदाचित बराच वेळ बोलता येत नाहीत आणि रुग्णांचे अनेक प्रश्न असतात ते त्यांच्या मनामध्ये अनुत्तरित राहतात. आणि ह्याच्यावर मात करण्यासाठी पेशंट एज्युकेशन सेंटर अशा प्रकारची हा उपक्रम आम्ही आता चालवला आहे. यामध्ये डॉक्टर कामाक्षी भाटे, डॉक्टर श्रीकला आचार्य, सुहास मेत्रे आणि सचिन महाडिक ह्या आमच्या टीमनी खरोखरच कष्ट करून अनेक प्रकारची पोस्टर्स बनवली आहेत आणि या पोस्टर्समध्ये आपण जो त्यांना आपल्याला काही सल्ला द्यायचा असेल किंवा जी आपल्याला माहिती द्यायची असेल ती केवळ शब्दांमध्येच नाही तर विविध प्रकारच्या चित्रांमधून त्यांनी त्याची एक तयार केली आहे. आणि अशा प्रकारची पोस्टर्स आपण ओपडीमध्ये तर लावतोच, पण त्या व्यतिरिक्त आपण जिथे जिथे समाजामध्ये किंवा जिथे जिथे आपण ज्यावेळी कॅम्प्स करत असतो, ज्यावेळी आपण आरोग्य शिबिरं बनवत असतो, त्यावेळी आपण त्याचं सगळ्यांना दाखवून त्यांना आपण ती माहिती देत असतो. याच्या व्यतिरिक्त TV आणि रेडिओ ह्यातर्फेही आपण ही माहिती त्या सर्वांपर्यंत पोहोचेल असं समजतो. आज आपण एक नवीन उपक्रम म्हणून YouTube सारख्या आपल्या जी वेबसाईट आहे तिथे आपण पेशंट एज्युकेशन सेंटर नावाचा एक वेगळं आपण एक सेंटर उभं केलं आहे, ज्याच्यामध्ये 40 व्हिडिओज आहेत आणि अनेक 6-7 वेगळ्या प्रकारच्या फिल्म्स आहेत. ह्यामध्ये मराठी, गुजराती, इंग्रजी अशा सगळ्या प्रकारचे व्हिडिओ आहेत आणि हे कुठलाही पेशंट जो आपण ज्याला इंटरनेट ॲक्सेस आहे आणि ज्याला YouTube बघता येतं, मोबाईलवर असो किंवा कॉम्प्युटरवर असो, हा स्वतःच्या वेळेप्रमाणे शांतपणे हे ऐकून त्याच्या मनातल्या प्रश्नांची तो नक्कीच दखल घेऊ शकतो. आणि मला वाटतं हा जो उपक्रम आहे हा अत्यंत स्तुत्य आहे. डायमंड ज्युबिली सोसायटी ट्रस्ट यांनी हा उपक्रमाला आम्हाला खूप सपोर्ट केला आहे आणि ह्याच्यामुळे आम्ही आमच्या रुग्णांपर्यंत बऱ्याच वेळा पोचू शकतो आणि आम्ही त्यांना जास्तीत जास्त चांगला कसे उपचार करता येईल याबद्दल माहिती देऊ शकतो. जेव्हा रुग्ण स्वतः सक्षम होतो त्यावेळी त्याचा रोग दुरुस्त होऊन तो दूर जाण्यासाठी नक्कीच मदत होते. मला वाटतं हे आमचं ध्येय ठेवून आम्ही ह्या पेशंट एज्युकेशन सेंटरची कशी वाढ होईल याच्यावर आम्ही आता पुढे प्रयत्न करणार आहोत. पुन्हा एकदा आमच्या टीमचं पुन्हा एकदा अभिनंदन. धन्यवाद.